after, I'm so happy it has finally arrived. So I bought the Spellbinders Dear Santa card kit, Christmas card kit, and I can't wait to see. So we're going to open this together because I haven't even opened it. I actually bought two, and I'll show you the other one at the end. Oh, but the other one is different. So here it is. Let me just move it like this. We're going to open. Oh, so many goodies. So we have a list of the contents here. Just so you know, we get 28 cards and envelopes. Sorry about that. Adhesive tape, foam squares, 18 pieces of cardstock. We'll look at the colors. 40 sheets of 6x6 paper pad, so a beautiful paper pad. Die cuts, 298, so 300. Gemstones, chipboard frames and corners. Puffy stickers and chipboard stickers. So a lot. I'm going to keep this here so I can look at it. And I am going to just open it and show it to you. So these are the cards, the envelopes and card bases. They're white. And I don't know if you can see, it's white, so it's hard to see. So it's textured, it's not smooth. So it's very nice. I like textured paper. And we have the envelopes here. So that's 20, but I can guarantee you guys, I've been buying kits from Spellbinders because they're my favorite for years. And you can make, I would say at least like 60 cards with this kit. And you have tons of ephemera left. But they give you at least some of the card bases. Here are, you know what, I'm going to get everything out and show you individually out of the box. So I have all the content here. I'm just going to put it in front of me. We're going to start looking at the gems. I use these gems a lot. So we have green, red, red. This one is more glittery, and then white. So very nice. It's a very nice accent. I love using gems. You see them in my projects all the time. Of course, the foam adhesive and the tape. I'm gonna put it there. Oh, I want to open this one. So these are the chipboards. Yeah, chipboard frames and corners. But I want to show you because here's the back. It shows you what comes inside. Trying to not get the glare from the light. But I want to show you what they feel like, what they look like. So let's just open. Oh, I love this big frame here. This is a great frame. So this is how thick it is. So it's pretty thick. It's pretty thick, but it's not that thick. So we have this beautiful tree, some ornaments, snowflake. There's borders here. I love that in the frame. So these are all frames, but you get some borders too. So this is actually 3 frames. 1, 2, 3, and the borders. Here's some more. I love this one. A little big for a card. Let me just look. Yeah, this is not for it. At least not an A2 card. You're gonna use this for something bigger. Great for scrapbooking if you do those. And some frames here. We have some frames like that. So that's what comes in terms of the chipboard. That is that. We're gonna put that aside. And now, puffy stickers. Oh, tons of puffy stickers. We have a whole alphabet here. These are my favorite things from these Spellbinders kits because they're so great and they're puffy. Oh, look at this. So I want to really show you what's in it because sometimes we just say puffy stickers and we go like this and put it aside. No, I want you guys to really look at it. So there you go. Very nice. I love puffy stickers. Oh. Okay, these ones are more chipboard, I guess. Yeah, these are chipboard. I'm gonna get this out too so you can see without the glare. There you go. So we have 2 sheets here. I love this. Celebrate the wonder and joy of holiday season. So these are some accents, and you also have these sayings here. Let me show the other side. Oh, I love this other side. But I do love to have sentiments too, because sometimes you put together a card and there's something missing. You put the sentiment and you're good. So there you go. I love the Santa, 2 sizes. So that's what comes inside of this. I'm gonna put this back and continue on our journey. And I actually bought 2, like I said in the beginning, guys. I bought 2 card kits. This one and another one from last year. I will show you at the end. And I might, if you want, I might even have another video showing you what's inside that one. Okay? Because last year I didn't buy it, so this year it's... I'm going to put this aside because I'm going to... Oh, no. There you go. Don't want to break it. Okay, I'm going to leave this for the end. I want to show you the paper. I love the paper pads. So here it is. You have seen the biggest version of this on my channel because I have the 12 by 12. Same design, but the kit comes with... And it's pretty thick. Yeah, it's thicker than usually does with Spellbinders kits. But yeah, I like that it's a little thicker. I like that. So let me just flip through quickly. You will remember some of it because I've been using on my projects for Christmas and craft fair. But I want you to see it. Oh, these are little tiny stars. I've used this one a lot. I love this one here to use with the frames and stuff. Ooh, love it. Yeah, so you've seen... Oh, I have to show you this one because it's one of my favorites because it has gold foil too. This one I think I've used all the 12 by 12 of that one. Love these little trees. So there you go. Starting again. So this is the 6 by 6. So you get 40 sheets, 20 designs. 6 of them are foiled. So we'll put that aside. Let me show you the paper, and then we'll look at my favorite thing from their kits, which is all the ephemera. It's what makes the cards. The ephemera are amazing. And you use it for years, believe me. I'm still using from many, many years ago. Oh my gosh, why is it so dark in here now? Oh, it's because of this. What happened? Oh, look at this, guys. Oh, you can't see that. So, let me just show you. See how it becomes dark? That is so weird. But you have, I'm gonna get, I know it's because of the gold and so you get 2 gold really quickly here. Gold and silver, but this one is fine. So let me show you the colors. And these are quite thick, so I like that. So these are the colors. I want you to see them all. Put that aside, and now we're going to look at the ephemera. Okay. So let me show you the back. I don't know if I'm going to open this, but look. These are the ephemera. So this one basically has a lot of sentiments, see? And some envelopes, and I love this. I've seen this being used by Yanis Makula. She made a beautiful card with this. And yeah, so there you go. But I want to show you at least a couple of them because I want you to see the colors, the quality. So I'm going to get a few. I don't want to get all of them because it's going to be messy. So there you go. I love these things. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. Sending joy. So see, they have round ones. Always 2. It always comes in 2, see? So that's what I like. So it gives you, especially because I do this with friends. So 1 loves it, 2 loves it, 2 love it, and you can still make 2 different. I love this North Pole thing. So here's some just for you to see the quality and the colors, but there is a lot in here. So I'm just gonna put this away. And the other one, because the difference I see in these 2 packs here of ephemera is that one has more sentiments and wordings and stuff. The other one is mainly images, see? So that is the difference. I want you to see it just to know. So let's open a little bit of these. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. And they're bright, which I love. They're not like dark green and dark red. That's what I love about Spellbinders. They always have wonderful bright colors. I love this one. Oh, look at that. I know what I'm gonna make with that. I'm gonna put that aside. So here is a little deer. Just such beautiful ephemera they make. Oh my gosh, look at this dog. Christmas. Papai Noel, that's how we call Santa Claus in Portuguese. Papai Noel. No daddy, I don't know. Father Noel, I guess. North Pole. So, wanted to see the quality of this. They have the best, absolute best ephemera. No one beats. Oh, I love these. Oh my God, the dove. Look at that. So yeah, so ephemera, tons of ephemera. I'm going to have a party. That's what I do every year. And I get together with a couple of friends, 2 or 3. We make cards, and then I will show you the cards we made with the kit too. But that's going to take a while, because it's going to be in November that we're getting together for that, making our own cards. So that is the Dear Santa Spellbinders. Please do use my link. It's an affiliate link. I get a small commission, and it helps my channel. It helps me keep making these free videos for you guys. I'll have the link below for this, okay? And like I promised you, this is the second one that I bought. Let me just get all this stuff out of here. So this was last year's card kit that I didn't buy. And it's on sale now. I have the link below to this one. And let me know in the comments. If you want, I'll open this for you as well. Okay, and show you so you see the difference and you make your decision. The good thing about this one is that it's on sale. So it's a little bit cheaper, not much. But it depends on your taste and what you want. But believe me, every single card kit Spellbinders makes, they're amazing. So I'm really sad that they used to have a membership, and you signed up and you got a kit every 2 months, I believe, but they don't have that anymore. So every time they come with one, I buy it. So yeah, so that's the one from last year. Let me know if you want. I can do another video showing what's inside, okay? Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.